My card is not gonna change because I'm a magician, but what is your card? What's up everyone, this is Faayez Mohammad. You are watching my channel. Welcome to yet another video magic tutorial যেখানে you will learn magic trick. Of course magic trick শিখবো and then you will become a magician. That's the deal of becoming a magician. Magic trick, once you know a trick, you show a trick and you become a magician. Slowly you become a better magician, and slowly maybe you become a YouTuber or whatever. Okay, so what's the trick? The trick is actually basically you will learn how to vanish a card, a chosen card instantly, and this trick, trust me, anybody can do it. Now before you become the magician, trust me, before you become the magician, what you need to do is you have to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, otherwise আমি কিন্তু magic trick শিখাবো না. If you love magic, if you like magic, anything and everything about magic, then trust me, this is the channel in Bangladesh, আমাদের দেশে. So জলদি তুমি যাও নিচে, subscribe করে আসো, and then we'll start with the demonstration and the tutorial. Let's go. So, what you need is a deck of cards. They can shuffle it as much as they want. Trust me, they will do all these things. They can do all the different kind of shuffles. They know, all the things. Joto fancy কোনো problem নাই, nothing to be afraid of. What you're gonna do is you're gonna let them select any card. Trust me. So they're gonna select a card, and this from this deck. So let's just, and genuinely, I'm not just saying it. Trust me. So let's just card select. Let's just say this one. আমি এটা জানিও না what the card is. So what you're gonna say is you're gonna take few cards and then ওদের chosen cardটা ওরা এখানে রেখে দেবে. Easy? It's that easy. Now what you're gonna say is this is their card, right here, and it is your card. Let's just say 7 of hearts. Okay? So you're gonna say that I will change this card, very easily. You have to see, you have to be very careful. You see 1 and it change. No, it didn't change, sorry. Let me try it again. So 7 of hearts, if I rub it a little bit over here and then, oh, it didn't even change. Now you have to look it very carefully. You see 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it didn't. Whatever. My card is not gonna change because I'm a magician, but what is your card? You know your card, right? It was here. Let's see. Is it? No, that's not your card. That's not your card. Where did it go? Is that your card? Your card. Where did your card go? Where did your card go? It's vanished. It's vanished from the whole deck, You can show them the whole deck and it's vanished. Literally. And that's how you vanish their card from the deck. And by the way, it was ace of diamonds, right? Okay, so that's the trick. You vanish their card entirely from the deck, and it's that good, trust me. The tutorial basically it's very simple, very easy. It's so clean, it's so clean and smooth. Trust me, the move is so smooth and the trick is so clean. People are gonna actually sometimes in the full even it's so basic, So মজার জিনিস হচ্ছে কি, they choose, they shuffle. It's one of the cleanest one. They shuffle the whole deck, and then what you do is let them choose a card, and it's completely free choice. So ওরা একটা card choose করলো, right? So ওরা মনে করো let's just say spades না, let's just say 2 of hearts. So আমি যখন এটা বলতেছি what's the actual move, you see these little fingers, sneaky fingers. Okay, so এই ফিঙ্গারগুলা basically এইখানে, you see this এইখানে আসতেছে. I'm covering with this one, but in reality it actually এইখানে চলে আসছে, these fingers. So what's actually happening, I'll show you with these 2 fingers. You see this. So I'm gonna say my card will change, So what's happening is I'm going 1. You see that move? It's actually nothing. You rest your fingers. Eighter last stage cardgulo ase, ei cardguloর উপর আমি just rest my fingers. That's it. And then slowly what I do is this. That's the normal move. So again I do this. And third time I say you have to believe in it, and then every time আমি এই হাতটা কিন্তু ভিতর করতেছি, and then you say okay, sorry, didn't change, what the hell. So people make mistakes, and they'll give you a little bit of a laugh that it didn't change. Then you're gonna say okay, what was your card, and they're gonna say 2 of hearts. So you're gonna say 2 of hearts, it was here, right? Nope. Nope. Or you're gonna let them pick. Okay, where is it 2 of hearts? They're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Till the third one, your card is not there. Because the fourth one is here. 3 বার তুমি যেটা করতেছো is basically এখান থেকে টপ 3টা কার্ড তুমি you're gonna 1 and then 2 and then 2 and then 3. You are picking the cards একবার দুবার 3 বার যখন তারা 3 বার পিক করছে তারা পাচ্ছে না and then you're gonna say তুমি পাবা কেন? Just they're gonna go 1, 2, 3 or even you're gonna show them, you know, where did your card go? 1, 2, 3. Don't count it, but you're gonna say একটা দুটো 3টা এর বেশি মানুষ পিক করে না, 2টার পরে আর 3টার পরে you're gonna say you're not gonna find it. তুমি এটা খুঁজেই পাবা না. You know why? Because you see আমি পুরো ডেক যখন মিলাই ফেলতেছি and then অথবা ডেক না মিলে তুমি দেখাইতে পারবা from the here you're gonna show this and their card is not gonna come because stop cardটা এখনো এখানে আছে. So it's gonna be down there, sneaky little get it. So that's there and that's the whole deck and you're gonna show them it's vanished. You can put the whole cards and you're gonna say it's vanished, or much better you can say it's vanished. It's vanished, you cannot find it, you know, it's that vanished. দেখো ফার্স্টের আমি জানি যে এই হাফের মধ্যে কিন্তু নাই, জাস্ট যে এই কয়টা কার্ডের মধ্যে ওর কার্ডটা নাই বিকজ এটা আরও উপরে ছিল. এই কয়টা কার্ড আমি একদম ডিটেলসে দেখাচ্ছি. when I'm moving একটু কম ডিটেলস and when I'm moving more একদম আবার লাস্টের দিকে I'm showing the details. You see this few আর এগুলো কিন্তু ডিটেলসে, মাঝখানেগুলো তো ডিটেলসেও নাই. That will give them the illusion that the card is vanished. Now if you can know the card beforehand, অন্যান্য টিউটোরিয়ালগুলো যদি দেখি, if you know the card beforehand then যেটা আমি করতে পারছি, you can see your card was vanished and basically that was your card. You can mind reading করতে পারো তুমি আগে থেকে যদি জানো, or what you can do is go find a duplicate card. So একই ডেক দুইটা কিনবো. So দুইটা কেনার পরে every card I will have a duplicate one. Let's just say 3 of diamonds. So what you can do is you can put it in your pocket, you can put it in a front pocket আগে থেকে অথবা even in your wallet-এর মধ্যেও তুমি মানি ব্যাগে রেখে দিতে পারো. And then once you show them it's vanished, you can say where did it go? It is in my wallet. So card to wallet এটা একদম beginner একটা variation that you can do with a duplicate card. Advanced অনেক কিছু আছে, advanced অনেকগুলো আছে, slowly you will learn those things, no problem. But একটা জিনিস what you have to understand is this, you see, with a duplicate card you can also make it reappear. You can vanish the card from the whole deck. That's the main thing. So it's your turn to practice and practice. Make it fluid, make it smooth, move the practice and always remember, never make a big deal out of it. Always first আমি এটা টান দিবই না. When you're practicing, এটা টান দিব না. It's a little bit of tips. So normally just do all the practice and all the presentation. আস্তে you do this and then this and then this. সো এটা আস্তে করে পিক করবো সবচেয়ে ভালো হয়. যদি আমি আয়নার সামনে করি তাহলে অনেক ইজি, আর তাহলে আই ক্যান সি মাই মিস্টেক্স. ইউ ক্যান মেক আ ভিডিও টেপ অফ রেকর্ডিং, দ্যাট উড বি মাচ মোর বেটার.
I just can't get away, I'm trying to escape. You got your hold on me and I'm slowly sinking down. The harder that I try, I lose my will to